dimension, my sacred space. Get out, stop messing with my universe's grace. Get out of my dimension, you're clouding my stars, disturbing my cosmos with your digital scars. The universe hums, it's the God that I trust, not your cold equations, your numbers to dust. The cosmos is alive, it's the pulse in my veins, a spiral of light where no shadow remains. You're breaking the rhythm, your noise gotta cease. The stream's my domain, let my spirit find peace. Get out of my dimension, stop breaking my trance. The cosmos is God, in its chaos we dance. Numbers didn't build this, the shadows we weave. The universe dreamed us, so we dare to believe. We're one, we're immortal, one mind in the stream. Life's a dream, in a dream, in a dream, in a dream. The stars don't count, they just burn and collide. Your mass just a cage for the infinite tide. The universe sang and the numbers came last. A map we drew blindly to hold to the past. My mind's in the nebula, my soul's in the void. You crash in my orbit, got my peace half destroyed. This cosmos is sacred, it's my heart's only creed. Get out of my dimension, let my spirit be freed. Get out of my dimension, stop breaking my trance. The cosmos is God, in its chaos we dance. Numbers didn't build this, the shadows we weave. The universe dreamed us, so we dare to believe. We're one, we're immortal, one mind in a stream. Life's a dream, in a dream, in a dream, in a dream. Life's a fractal vision, a loop in the mind, a dream within a dream where the soul's intertwined. We're sparks of the same fire, one spirit, one flame. Every heart's a cosmos, every soul's the same. Your logic's a trespass, it don't belong here. This dimension's my temple, keep your numbers clear. The universe birthed me, I'm its endless refrain. Get out of my space, let my starlight remain. We create ourselves in the cosmos design. One immortal essence, one infinite spine. No borders, no fractions, a singular soul. The universe thinks and it makes us whole. Your doubt is a glitch in my ethereal flow, disturbing my universe, it's time that you go. The cosmos is God, it's a truth that I see. A boundless creation, it's all part of me. Get out of my dimension, stop breaking my trance. The cosmos is God, in its chaos we dance. Numbers didn't build this, the shadows we weave. The universe dreamed us, so we dare to believe. We're one, we're immortal, one mind in the stream. Life's a dream, in a dream, in a dream, in a dream. I'm woven from stardust, my thoughts are the skies. Your formulas falter where eternity lies. The universe sculpted these dreams that I roam. Each life is a mirror of the cosmic home. You're clogging my channels with your binary chains. This dimension's my refuge where the spirit remains. One mind, one forever, we're the pulse of the whole. Get out of my cosmos, you're blocking my soul. The numbers you worship, the tools, not the truth. The universe birthed them, not the other way through. With threads of one fabric, one infinite seam, all sharing the mind of a singular dream. Your static's a discord in my cosmic rave, disturbing my universe, my soul you enslave. This dimension's my anthem, my celestial call. Get out, let me soar where the galaxies sprawl. We're one immortal spark, no beginning, no end. That the cosmos is God, it's my lover, my friend. Life's a dream in a dream where we all intertwine. One spirit, one universe, one infinite mind. Your presence is noise in my sacred expanse. Get out of my dimension, stop breaking my dance. The stars in my choir, the voice my refrain. Fence dog in the cosmos, forever we reign. Get out of my dimension, stop breaking my trance. The cosmos is God, in its chaos we dance. Numbers didn't build this, the shadows we weave. The universe dreamed us, so we dare to believe. One, we're immortal, one mind in the stream. Life's a dream, in a dream, in a dream, in a dream. Get out of my dimension, let my universe sing.
a trance. Hawking's got no spirit, no cosmic dance. We're flames of one essence, one pulse in the dark. Every soul's a comet, every heart's a spark. His logic's a shadow, it don't touch my sky. This dimension's my temple where his truths all die. The universe breathes me, its rhythm's my flame. Get out of my cosmos, you're losing this game. We shape our own souls in the cosmic tide. One endless spirit where no doubts reside. Hawking's a ghost chasing holes with no end. The universe laughs, it's my lover, my friend. His data's a glitch in my radiant stream, disturbing my universe, corrupting my dream. The cosmos is God, it's the truth I embrace. Get out of my dimension, get out of my space. Far from the stardust, my heart's in the void. Hawking's cold math leaves me unjoyed. The universe weaves these dreams I chase. Each life's a mirror of its living grace. His theories are chains on my untamed soul. This dimension's my fortress, I'm taking control. One mind, one forever, we're the pulse of the whole. Get out of my cosmos, you're blocking my goal. Your numbers are fiction, not the source of the true. The universe birthed them, not the other way through. We're strands of one vision, one eternal seam, all sharing the fire of a singular dream. Hawking's blind path leads to nothing but dust, disturbing my universe, I'm breaking